Hi, I'm Ankur Goyal, Principal Product Manager for Corticon. Welcome to Corticon in 90 seconds.
Today, we'll explore how Corticon can provide direct access to a database to get the data it needs to make a decision. Here's how it works. Corticon's Enterprise Data Connector lets you connect a decision service to an external data source. Using Progress Data Direct drivers and object relational mapping in Hibernate, you can connect to Salesforce, for example, or a relational database such as Oracle. Then, using smart mapping technology, you can automatically match business terms in the rules vocabulary to terms in your database. Corticon will then automatically generate the optimized SQL you need to perform the database operations. The Enterprise Data Connector lets you provide quick and seamless access to all organizational data sources without costly integration and complex SQL coding. And when business rules change, you don't need to change your application to retrieve additional information. The Enterprise Data Connector boosts rule agility without impacting your applications. Want to learn more about Progress Corticon and the Enterprise Data Connector? Please visit progress.com/Corticon tips.